Quickly, I'll just conclude this. We have received 125 papers in this conference, out of which 9 are selected for paper presentation. So it was based on the conference theme, because this is a very focused theme-based conference. So 9 papers were there. 2 authors presented online, while 7 authors presented offline. And among all those papers, based on the review marks from the reviewers, as well as the thematic area which is matching more with the conference, the best paper award goes to Mr. Felix, who is presently here, whose paper is Decentralized Applications on Blockchains and Cloud Platforms, Execution and Instance Tracking. I request Felix to please come over here. I request Professor Shyam Sundar sir, the TPC chair, Dr. P.V. Anand Mohan sir, and all of the dignitaries to kindly present the memento. So welcome is also there. Professor Dr. Anand Mohan sir. Congratulations, Felix. Thank you very much.